Have you been convicted of a crime involving theft by check, fraudulent check, bad check? Basically, the money is not yours. The money is not in your account. Yeah, if you haven't done that, don't do it at all, especially if you're an immigrant, a foreign national, and even if you have residence status. Here's the deal. You get yourself in a bind. I understand why you would maybe want to write a bad check, but just don't do it. Because when you end up needing to have to travel outside the United States and you re-enter with a residence status, with the resident card, you might think that, oh, I got resident status, I have legal status, I can come back in, right? No. Customs will refer you to secondary inspection, and you would also need to argue that you want a court hearing because they could try to do something nasty and have you sign something, a 407 form for abandonment of your status. But you never know. So, and you might think, oh, okay, I got a court hearing. It's going to be okay, right? I'm going to get released. No, that's also not the case. You're going to get detained. You're going to get transferred to an immigration detention center. You might also think that, oh, my crime was 5, 10, 20 years ago. I'm a much better person now. They don't care. When you re-enter the United States, even with resident status, with AKA green card, essentially what you're doing legally is seeking admission into the United States. It is not resident card, LPR card is not a guarantee that you're allowed to come back into the United States in the same status, okay? So this tends to be people who gamble, have some habits that, you gamble. So I know I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I just wanted to be here to share information so you just have knowledge on things that you might want to avoid doing to not be in a situation like this. So long story short, here's the takeaway, other than what I just said, is that when you're trying to come back into the United States at an airport, they're going to label your case, you, as arriving alien. And then so you might also think, well, I've been here for so many years, I just want to go back to my country or wherever to help out, do whatever, or even just vacation. And you're caught by surprise. And they're going to, label you as arriving alien, so you're not eligible for bond, okay? You might think, yeah, I got several children here, I've been here for over 20 plus years, I got a house. Isn't that enough to get bond? That's just not how it works. And you might go into the bond hearing and think like, oh, I see other people with more serious offenses and they're getting bond. Everyone has a different situation, especially for immigration, because those folks likely did not not in this situation right now because they were arriving alien at the airport. They may have already been out and about anywhere in the U.S. and maybe, I don't know, got arrested for a crime like assault or DWI, or stealing a candy bar. Everyone's in a different situation. So stay tuned, follow our channel, okay? And let me know if you have any questions. Comment below if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.